live not only on air but online kasi we are also live sa Love Radio Manila Facebook page. When I told you na special tong araw na to, I wasn't kidding mga kabisyo kasi we are with someone with ewan ko, ang konti ng achievement. Isa-isahin ko bigyan natin ng justice to. Wait lang. Siya isang finalist sa Eat Bulaga's Just Duet. Siya ay finalist din sa X Factor UK. She was the first runner-up sa The Voice Philippines. Siya ay gold medalist and silver medalist for World Championship of Performing Arts. She played the lead character Aileen Dimaraan in PETA's hit musical Rack of Ages. She won the Best Inspirational Song in the 43rd Catholic Mass Media Awards in 2022, I guess, or 2020, with her song Faithful, composed by renowned songwriter Cecil Azarcon Inocentes. The list goes on and on. My God, am I certified to interview this one? But without further ado, mga kabisya, please welcome on Love Lounge, the one and the gorgeous Alisah Bonaobra. Hi!
Hello po, good morning.
Ay, wait lang. Sipa. Hi!
Ayan. Good morning po DJ Lala and sa lahat ng mga nanonood at nakikinig po ngayon.
Alam nyo, napaka-humble ni Alisah with all her achievements. Kung ako yan, ang yabang ko na. Napaka-humble niya. Pero before anything else, gusto lang kitang batiin ng belated happy birthday.
Yay,
Yes.
thank you po.
She celebrated her birthday noong April 23. What?
22, yes.
23. Bakit 23 yung post?
Na-late na.
Nagalit sa research. Well, anyway, maraming salamat sa pagpunta mo dito sa amin. Pero gusto ko lang kinang tanungin, ano bang pinagkakabisihan mo?
Ayan, actually, ngayon po, I am going back to US na po this coming May 10 for a show naman po sa Los Angeles. On May 20, I'm gonna perform sa grand reopening ng Millet's Cafe. And sa May 21 po, I have the version 2.0 po ng Alisah sa solo concert po ito sa Los Angeles din. And June 3, I'm gonna be at Vallejo, Pista Sanayan po. And June 24, we're gonna fly to Germany for an event po.
Grabe, hindi ka busy, no?
Medyo lang. Kailangan po eh.
So, baka merong space dun sa bagahe mo. Kasya ako dun. Well, anyway, for us to have fun with Alisah today, I steered something different sa Love Lounge. Ayan. Kasi, syempre, we all wanted to get to know you at yung everything that they want to get to know more about you ay talagang mahahanap mo din naman talaga. Kasi very open ka sa mga posts mo. Nag-update siya. If you follow her on Instagram and Facebook, it's updated. It's all there. So, ngayong araw na to, I'm gonna challenge you. Challenge you! Sa game ng Love Radio na Riff Off. Ayan, sa mga alam po yung reference, kung nanood kayo ng Pitch Perfect, ito yung mga ginagawa sa Riff Off. So, sa Riff Off kasi parang nagsasabayan lang sila ng kantahan. Pero ito, dahil Love Lounge Twist, meron tayong 4 categories of eras ng song. So, meron tayong tinatawag nating boy band, meron tayong batang 90s, meron tayong Disney movies, and girl group. So, yun yung 4 categories natin. So, meron tayong spin the wheel. Sabihin mo lang ang go, magsispin tayo. Tapos, kung ano yung era na malaland niyan, bibigyan kita ng list of songs that you have to sing for us. Tapos, huhulaan ko. Once na naka 5 correct answer ako, mga kabisyo, Alisah gets to win a prize from Love Radio.
Wow.
Yan. Okay? Gusto ko sanang gawin yung parang paramihan kami. Kaya lang na-imagine ko, ay shucks, kakanta ko. No, siya na lang. Baka masira yung mga umaga nila. So, are you ready, Alisah?
Yes.
Ayan. So,
Patanong yan.
sabihin mo lang, ready, set, love. Magsispin na yung wheel natin.
Okay po. Ready, set, love.
So, ang ating category for this era ay Ooh, Disney movies.
Yay.
Oh my God. Yari ka, Alisah.
Mukhang mahihirap po yun nandito sa lista.
So, pwede ka mamili dyan ng 5 song na feeling mo kaya ng utak ko.
Okay po.
Okay, are you ready? Whenever you're ready in 3, 2, 1, go!
Kahit saang part ng song?
Oo.
Okay po.
First song.
Let it go!
Let it go, Frozen! 1 point. Dinalian niya na. Alam niya siguro, ay, mahirap to makaintindi. Dadali ako.
Yun yung ano po ay benefit pag yung title nasa song na.
kanta. Oo, katulad ng hindi katulad ng mga dilema. O diba, wala yung...
Opo.
Next.
Yan. Lahat na po.
Oo.
Okay, sige
Next.
po. Into the unknown.
Papakanta ko muna to.
Into the unknown. Into the unknown.
Into the unknown. Frozen 2. What?
Kompleto.
Oh my God, I love this
Baka
game.
meron po yung original singer.
Wala akong original singer. Hanggang dun lang tayo. Third song
Okay
na.
po.
Uy, nakakadalawang puntos na siya. Third song.
Wait lang po, baka mapansin nila na ano.
Ako yung kinakabahan sa totoo lang kasi gusto ko makuha mo yung prize.
Sige po. Pang third na po ito, no? Ilang
Yes.
points po dapat?
5 lang.
Okay, sige po. So, pang third is, love is an open door. Love is an open door.
Grabe, ang
I
ganda
can
ng
be
boses
so
mo.
much more.
Love is an open door. Kinanta ni Ana.
Yes. Si Ana, yes po.
Next song. Bakit puro Frozen to? Okay.
Yun po yung mga pinipili ko. Puro
Okay.
Frozen.
Puro Frozen.
Okay po. Last two, ano pa ba yung madali-dali?
Madali. Gusto ko yung madali-dali kasi alam mo kung gaano ako kahirap kausap.
Yung ano pa, pag kinanta, ando na rin yung title. Sige po. I've been standing at the edge of the water long as I can remember. Sabi na eh.
Alam ko yan eh. Sige. Kinakanta ko yun sa karaoke. Sige.
Sige po.
Kantahin mo lang.
Never really knowing why I can... Hindi ko na po alam yung lyrics.
What's wrong with me?
How far we'll go.
How far I'll go. My God, finally. How far I'll go. Moana.
Yes.
Lord.
Ayan po, last
Nagpapawisan ako.
time.
Nalalamig yung kamay ko, Alisah. Tingnan mo talaga. Nakakabahan ako. Next.
Okay, last po. A whole new world, a new horizon to pursue.
A Whole New World. Aladdin. Originally by...
Originally by.
Ay! Nakuha ni Alisah yung 5 songs. Yay! Dahil dyan, meron kami pa-premya para sa'yo.
Thank
This is a
you.
little something
Yay.
from us.
Thank you po.
Mamaya mo na tignan kung ano yung laman. Kasi yung laman yan, paper bag lang din.
Kasi babalik po after.
Oo. Tapos ibabalik mo yung lalagyan kasi binili ko yan. Pero Alisah, maraming salamat ha. Sobrang
Thank you
game
po.
na game ka. And feeling ko may future ka dyan. Naghanap ako ng partner sa radyo. Well, anyway, Alisah, please invite them. Ayan, sa iyong upcoming events and of
Yes.
course your newest single. Please let them know. I'm sure your fans are craving to know the details. Please take the floor.
Yes, ayan, of course. Before I forget, thank you very much, Love Radio, and of course, DJ Lala Banderas for having me today. Sa lahat po ng mga supporters ko, especially sa Alisah Warriors Worldwide, Arledge Family, and RJ Productions Family, sa lahat po ng mga nakikinig, maraming salamat. At you can support my latest single entitled Hanggang Kailan, Composer Scott, composed by Kuya Joel Mendoza, music arranged by Sir Homer Flores, mixed and mastered by Sir Dante Tanyedo, released and produced under RJA Productions and distributed under Star Music PH. Ito po ay available sa lahat ng digital platforms, Spotify, iTunes, Amazon, Deezer, and sa YouTube Music. And of course, meron din po siyang lyric video sa Star Music PH YouTube channel.
Grabe. Alam mo, nakakabilib yan. Pinanood ko yan sa video. Pero syempre, dahil epal ako, gusto ko magpasample ng line. One line lang, Alisah. One line lang.
line.
Favorite line mo of your newest single, Hanggang Kailan?
Sige po. Hanggang kailan kita iibigin? Hanggang saan kita hanapin? Kahit saan ka man naroroon ngayon, sinta, magpakailanman pinapangako kong hihintayin kita.
Oh my God! Grabe yung boses mo! Grabe! Alam mo sa edad ni Alisah, dati ganyan yung boses ko. Nausog. Nausog ng malala. Pero Alisah, maraming salamat. You have a beautiful voice and I can't wait to be there sa mga performances mo this time around as a fan. Salamat for being here. It's a pleasure meeting you. It's an honor to be beside you tonight. Today. Kasi nighttime kasi ako eh. Pero please, before we go, invite them to like your socials para ma-follow ka nila, ma-update sila sa whereabouts mo. Please, Alisah.
Ayan, you guys can follow me on my Facebook fan page. It's Alisah Bonaobra. On Instagram, official Alisah Bonaobra. On Twitter, official Alisah. On TikTok, please follow me there. The real Alisah Bonaobra. On YouTube, Alisah Bonaobra. And you can also find me everywhere. Just type my name correctly po.
Gusto ko yun.
Anywhere.
Gusto ko yung anywhere. Oo, very bakit? Very flexy si Alisah. Well, anyway, Alisah, maraming salamat for being with us today.
Thank you.
And nagpapasalamat syempre yung buong production team namin for being with us. And again, guys, please support Alisah. Follow her on socials and support her latest single, Hanggang Kailan. Thank you so much.
Thank
At
you very
syempre
much
sa mga kabisyo natin, itutuloy-tuloy natin ang Love Radio Top 10 Countdown sa ating pagbabalik. For now, enjoy nyo muna ang mga flashback hits, flashback music natin. Dito lang yan sa Love Radio, the station that makes you feel so good. Oh my God, thank you so much, Alisah.